This here is my Ford Falcon XT. Now some people think that the XT is the base model Falcon, but what it actually stands for is extremely tougher than the XR6. Now obviously I had to get the full XR6 conversion so that the bullying would stop that I bought an XT, but it has not. Now because it's a Ford, that means every time that I start this car, I flip a coin. Heads it starts, or tails, I'm walking home. The only thing with more leaks than this car is goddamn Congress. And yes, I know it's an automatic, and that's because I like my cars like I like my women. Easy and low maintenance. At least my car lets me shift at least once in a while. I'm talking to you, Janice. There's only two types of people in this goddamn world. Those who don't know what the fuck a classic badge means on this goddamn car, and goddamn liars, because nobody knows what it means. And of course it has fake gauge pods here, and that's because the goddamn stock Barra produces so much horsepower that if I was to go above 4K RPM, it would explode and hit me and the passenger. I'm doing it for their safety. Now some people think that Ford stands for found on rubbish dumps, and to them I tell you, it stands for fucked on regular days. God damn it! Spent my whole paycheck on these shiny rims here just so I can flex on them haters at red lights. Meanwhile, I didn't spend any of my goddamn money on my engine. Goddamn thing sounds like a smoker on life support. Installed one of these fancy TV screens here on the roof so your girlfriend has something to watch while I'm doing single peggers. But if I hit a pothole too hard, I guess we're watching Jerry Springer up in heaven. Now if you guys want me to review more cars just like this, make sure you click that like button and you follow for more.